Alright, what's going on, guys? I just pretty much wanted to show you what I have done as of right now. So basically, for the for my part, for the tables I have a users table, I have an invites table, and I have a trips table. As you can see, they're all empty because I haven't created any users yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually create a user, and I am gonna call him. Let's see. I'll just use my own name, Andy, and I'll do Andy@gmail.com. Okay, let me log out there. I'm gonna actually go ahead and create two more users. So gmail.com. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and create one more user. Let's see, let's go ahead with Joel at gmail.com. Alrighty. So now I'm going to actually go ahead and look at the table over here. And if you look at the users table, all of the name and the email and the passwords appear within this table. Awesome. So we have 3 users now. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to the account page. So if I go to /account, it'll bring me to Joel's account page. Now this is just Bootstrap, nothing too fancy. Just wanted to get the main functionality down. So let's go ahead and create a trip. So Orlando. Let's create some more trips. New York. Let's go with California. Okay, so we have 3 trips created, and if I go ahead and go back into my my database, there are 3 trips that have been added to the trips table. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and click on Orlando, and these are, this has to be changed. I just wanted to have this here so I can see what all users exist, just for test purposes. I'm gonna have to change that later, but so if I go ahead and try to invite a user that doesn't have an account, then it will not work. So I'm gonna go ahead and invite Nick, and notice that it gives me this error page. Probably gonna add something there later, but if I go ahead and add a user that does exist, let's go ahead and add Glenn. He appears in the going section, and I'm going to go ahead and actually go back to the login page, and I'm going to sign out of Joel's account. And now so I invited Glenn, right? So if I go into Glenn's account, I go ahead and go into Glenn's account, you'll see that now he has the trip, and the other trips will not appear. New York and California, they will not appear in his account because he was not invited to that trip. So if I go ahead and click on Orlando, it'll say, hey, Glenn is gone. And from Glenn's account, I can actually go ahead and invite someone else. So if I invite, let's say, Andy, then Andy is now going to the trip, and he is able to add other users to the trip. So let's say if I go back here, let's go to the account page. Let's create a new trip. Let's go with SeaWorld. Notice that this appears here, and this is only accessible in Glenn's page. So if I go ahead and go to, let's see, if I go ahead and go to andy@gmail.com, it will only show the, let's see, it's only going to show the trips that I am invited to, which is Orlando. Alright, that's about it for that.